Need to spice up your tech? Go from drab to fab by adding brightly colored accessories to your Wi-Fi enabled machine. Here are 5 cheap ways to decorate your laptop.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
A keyboard cover adds a pop of pigment as you type. The silicone design is waterproof, dustproof, and easily washed. Place this removable piece on your keys for only $6. A Suede laptop case is a must for those on the go. Each stylish carrier looks similar to an envelope and fits a 13-inch laptop. A magnetic fastener on the powder pink case keeps your goodies in place for $25. Decals are a simple way to show off your tastes. Whether it's your favorite geekery or your initials, the easy-to-apply designs look chic. Select which one fits your fancy and you'll spend between $2 to $15. SmartShell cases should be a must-buy for those prone to butterfingers. The hard protection case snaps onto the bottom and top of your computer. Heat vents on the lower case ensure your laptop doesn't overheat for $49. A wireless mouse and a matching pad are a fashionable pair. The easily portable mouse is made from high-quality, durable, and eco-friendly plastic. Your desk will feel like the tropics for $17. With these stylish additions, everyone will know which laptop is yours.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.